The www.thetradingmentors.com are a group of traders that offer one-to-one coaching in the Forex, oil and gold market to help you target your goals. Our head trader and coach has been trading for 41 years and will support you in your Forex trading journey, even if you are a beginner. Join our team free in the link below to get the weekly Forex forecast, our DVA, daily video analysis, where every day we analyze all markets and forward the best setups for the day. Join us in the VIP room and get the best charts with signals. Do you want to be a gold trader? No problem, we have our gold software, which is the best in the world. What about oil? Our oil software will show you the buy and sell signals on your chart. Our advanced pro charts include oil, gold and all market analysis for maximum returns, with full coaching and support. Try our free trial.